We're going to go ahead and construct the flower of life. You start with a shape called the seed of life, where you draw 6 circles around a circle. First thing we want to do is make sure that our compass's point and pencil or pen are the same length, and that will make it easier to do our constructions. Now I want to make sure when I do my measurements I can go 1, 2, about 3 times up, down, left, and right so I don't run out of room. Mine is probably about 2 fingers worth, maybe a little bit more than an inch, inch and a half. So you also want to use a ruler to find the center of your paper so that everything is nicely aligned. So it's pretty easy. The first step, we draw a circle, and I like to use a ruler to sort of find the top of the circle so that the shape and drawing is even. So I'm going to put the tip of my compass point on the edge of the circle now, and the pencil should touch the center, and I'm going to draw another circle. Where the 2 circles meet, I'm going to put my compass point once more and draw another circle and do that all the way around. So next I'll go where the 2 meet here. So we're going to grow another layer of circles here, and when we're done we're going to make sure each circle has a layer of seeds in here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go where the 2 circles meet on the outside, and I'm going to repeat that process. I'm going to draw a circle, and I'm going to go to where the 2 circles meet once more, and again where these 2 meet here, and I'm going to add another layer.
Where these 2 meet here. Where these 2 meet here.
So now what we're going to do, now we have 6 new circles, we're going to go and complete 6 more using, again, where the 2 circles meet here. So I'll have one on top, one here, one here, this is the basic framework for our flower of life, but we need to fill in the seeds on the remaining circles. So to help kind of guide us, I'm going to take my compass and put it to the very edge of the outermost circle. And we're going to use the circles that are in here. But in order to make these little seed pieces, we're going to have to draw a little bit outside of the circle, and then we'll go ahead and erase it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to readjust my compass back to the original size. And what I'm going to do is go around where the 2 circles meet, and I'm going to repeat that pattern once more. So you can see there's still places where the seeds are not completed. and it's where the new circle touches the last layer that's within this larger circle. So I'm going to put the compass point here, finish it. Now we see this has all 6 seeds, and I'm going to repeat that here. So we can see that we have all 6 seeds, but there's a little layer missing here on each of the edges. So we're going to fill in that as our last step. And again, these pieces here are going to be erased. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to take our compass where these 2 circles meet, and we're going to put the point there. And we're just going to fill in that little seed shape. And we're going to do that here. And pretty much all the way around. So now we can see the seed is completely finished, but also the little edges are also done. So I'm going to go ahead and do this over with marker and show you what it looks like, and then we'll erase the extra circles on the edges there. So I'm going to try to use a darker color so you can see exactly where the main design takes place. I'm going to So you can do a quick visual check to see have all the seeds been filled in, and as you can see here there's a missing piece. So I will simply readjust very quickly and finish that spot. I also went ahead and drew a circle around the finished product, and as it dries I will go ahead and erase all the extra markings. And that is the flower of life. And so this is the flower of life. I once read that the outer circle represents a creator, and that it's creation reaching for and growing towards the creator. But as you can see, the smaller circles never touch the larger circle, as we can only reach for and grasp but never truly understand a creator of any sort. It's beyond our understanding. But you know, when I made the Seed of Life video, you can see how the seed allows you to make little shapes and create things, just like a compass itself allows us to create all sorts of things. Really everything we've ever designed before computers, we used compasses. And so it's really a good metaphor for a creator and creation and creating things, and it's creation reaching for the creator. Now, whether that's true or not, I don't know, but I do like the design, and I think it's a great shape, and I'm starting to see more and more of these patterns around in different places. Um, I think Gaiam has the Seed of Life as their logo. So hopefully you enjoyed learning how to make the Flower of Life.